Okay, folks, so we are going to log into Brightspace, and I'm also going to show you how to use the TextAid support reader that is offered in Brightspace, which means it will read whatever is in the text there on the website. It will read it to you. So it is a really cool tool, and I recommend that everybody go through these steps so that the option is there if you ever want the reader to read things to you. So first we're going to log into Brightspace, and I'm going to start by opening a web browser, which I've already done, and logging into the NSCC website, nscc.ca. As you can see, I'm there now. And then once I'm on that main page, I'm going to go to the login. Just hover your mouse over that. And the third option down is Brightspace. That will take me to the NSCC Brightspace login page. And under username, I'm going to type in my W number, which is just your W number only, to log into this application. And the password, right now you guys still have your temporary passwords unless you changed it, of course. So that would be, and that's your password for everything. Then you would click login. And so your main page might look a little different than mine. You will have your self-development and wellness course, and you probably will have this course as well. But you also will have some others there. So right now we're focusing on the TextAid. So I am going to click on TextAid. And as you see here, it's just saying about the website is storing cookies on your computer, and that's to collect information about how you interact with our website. It allows us to remember you and all that. So in order to download this, you have to accept. So I am going to do that. Okay, and now I'm going to go down to these three little dots here, click on them, and I'm going to select web reading. So now I have the option of selecting either desktop or mobile. I'm going to select desktop. And I'm going to select other browser. Even though I'm using Google Chrome, the instructions state that you should select other browser, okay? So now on this page, you'll see the TextAid web browser, or web reader, sorry. And what they're asking you to do is to drag this to the bookmarks toolbar. So it might not be showing up on your web browser here. So if it's not, what you can do is just go down. So I just clicked these three little dots up here, and I went down to bookmarks, and it does show. I'm not going to click it again, but if it doesn't have that little check mark saying show bookmarks bar, you should click on it and then it'll show up the top here. So that's what this is right here. So what I'm going to do is just drag that right here, and now it's there. So if I go back to Brightspace, that should be there. And you'll see this little thing pop up here. Let's just see if it works.
Select the text you want to have read, then click the Listen button.
Okay, so what it wants you to do is highlight what it is you would like it to read. So that's good to know. So I'm just going to highlight this.
The primary purpose of the lure is to act as a digital asset library for faculty to upload teaching materials.
All right, so that's basically how it works. So it's right up here whenever you need it. You can click on that and you can use it in Brightspace. And there's also other options here.
Select the text you want to open in TextAid.
Oh, so I guess the easiest way to do it, if you're, so let's go in here for a minute and go into content. So this is what it's going to look like for you folks. So if you are in my stuff now, I have been doing videos and reading the text to you, but just in the event that I don't do that, what you can do is go up here, highlight the text. I'm just going to do this one little section here.
This course is taught by the program coordinator, Amanda Wazal.
So yeah, so that's basically how it works. I hope that you're able to get through the instructions okay. And as always, if you need some additional support, do not hesitate to reach out. You can get me through text or email, or if you want to give the Achieve cell phone a call at 902-578-8173. Thanks, folks. And I look forward to working with you and working with you on some of the content in Brightspace.